Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this unit right here, but I'm also giving you a tutorial on how I got this customized color. So if you guys want all of these, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, your girl has been knocking out these videos one by one, because if you guys haven't been following me, then your girl is probably about to slow down just a little bit, just so I can get some other things worked out in my life, some amazing things that are happening. And so yeah, definitely want to get this review out to you guys as soon as possible. And so let me give you guys all the before I jump into what I did to this unit. So this unit is courtesy of Alibele Hair. This is actually my second time working with them, and so we had a wonderful experience the previous time, and so they decided to work with me again, which I'm super excited about. And so this time I decided to go with their 613 bob, and so let me give you guys the exact deets. So it says it's their Alibele Hair short bob 613. It's a 13x4 lace front. It is human hair and it's 150% density, and I got it, I believe, in 14 inches. But you guys definitely make sure to check the links down below, where it will have the direct link and probably the information of which lengths I had, but I'm pretty sure it was 14 inches. So you guys know I like to play in color, and I love when companies allow me to choose their 613 hair. For some reason, some companies only allow you to pick like their black hair, and if I want to do something different to it, I have to dye it myself. But then I love when a company allows me to pick 613 hair, to where I do not have to do any type of dyeing or anything like that unless I want to. But the hair is already 613. I don't have to bleach it. That's what I meant, not dye it. I don't have to bleach the hair. So Alibele Hair was kind enough to send me the 613 unit, like I told you guys. And my original plans for this unit was to actually make this unit ash blonde. I have been really wanting to go for the ash blonde look, and I tried it with a different wig and that didn't work out. And so I was super excited about this unit, because I was like, okay, it's 613. I know that the unit has to be 613. This is gonna be bomb, right? Well, I only had one bottle of toner as well as one bottle of the 20 developer, and I figured it probably wasn't gonna be enough, but I wanted to do half of the wig to see if it was gonna be the color that I wanted it to be before I went ahead and purchased more. And so that's what you guys will see in this video. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. Now, I'm not sure what bleaching knots does when it's already a 613 unit, but I seen somebody else do it, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But I did go ahead and use the Shimmer Light shampoo to knock out that yellowness. And so that's what you guys will see when I start to tone the hair. That was me after I had used the Shimmer Light shampoo. And so I go ahead and I use the toner, and then I let the toner sit for about I think approximately about 30 minutes, and then I let the hair air dry, and I just was not a fan of the color. I can't remember which one I used. I'll link everything down below. I think it was the T14, the Wella T14. I want to say that's the correct one. And I don't know, I just felt like that color was just not complimentary to my skin tone. And so I was like, I'm not about to waste my money. Now I do have some box dye, some medium ash blonde, and I think some dark ash blonde, but I just kind of felt like I don't have time to kind of experiment, and that's exactly what I would have been doing, trying to get the color that I felt was right for me. And so I was like, forget that. Forget that. Your girl is actually about to just go ahead and watercolor this hair, because I got things to do, okay? I don't have time to be doing this all day, okay? So you guys will then see that I did go ahead and decide to watercolor this hair, and I actually started off with two colors, and those two colors were some colors that I had left over. Like, I have a bunch of colors from when I've done, you know, previous dye jobs. So I had the Kiss Colors Blue Moonlight, and then I have Kiss Colors Emerald. So I took these two colors and I mixed them, and that's how I ended up watercoloring this unit. And so I will say that it actually came out pretty nice. I love the fact that it was like a gradient color, to where it was like a light greenish, bluish up top, to where you guys can kind of see it right here, because it's more so right here. But yeah, so it was like a light greenish something right here, but then it got darker as it went down, and I thought that was super cute, super nice. But once I went to like hang it to dry, I was like, I've kind of done this color already. Like, I've watercolored a unit blue before, and I just felt like it was just way too close to that unit, and I didn't want to repeat it. And I was like, no, I gotta give you guys something different, and I want something different. How can I make this pop a little bit more? So then your girl went in with Purple Passion, so Kiss Colors Purple Passion. So now I took all three of these and I mixed them together, and this is the color that I got. Y'all see that? So the great thing about it is that because I mixed all three colors together, the unit is not just one color. Honestly, it's all three colors depending on where you look at it. And so if you look at it more on this side, I feel like it gives you a little bit more bluish purplish, but then if you look more on this side, I think you get a lot more blue up top, and then it goes down into like the purple more so at the bottom. So yeah, that was me just literally adding these 3 colors into the water. I believe I dipped this hair at least, I dipped it the first time with the emerald and the blue Moonlight, and then I dipped it again with the purple, but then I think I warmed up some more water and then put more purple on it because I didn't feel like the purple was as intense as I wanted it to be. But then the second time I felt like it was more intense. So yeah, I absolutely love this color. I think that is super cute, and it definitely has some depth and some dimension to it, just by how I watercolored it. But I will say that this Alibele 613 Bob took the dye extremely well, as you guys can see, and that's one thing that I really love about 613 hair, is that regardless if it's bundles or if it's a wig, the dyeing process can be super easy if you decide to watercolor it, and it's not a long and tedious process like that red hair that I just dyed, or that black hair that I dyed red. Like, oh my goodness, that took me forever. But I love the fact that watercolor, literally you can dip it and it's your desired color. Like if that's the color you want the first time, you're done. But if not, keep dipping it until it's the right color, or let it sit there until it's the color that you want. So yeah, it's not really much for me to say about this unit other than the fact that I do not particularly care for the parting space. It doesn't really give you a lot of parting space with this unit, so I decided to do kind of like a flip over method, and the parting space probably actually is like right here. So that's about maybe like 2 inches, I guess. Now in the middle is probably a little bit more. Yeah, so you get a little bit more if you go in the middle. Oh, I didn't even try it with the middle part. Let me see what this looking like. Let me see. Don't mind me, y'all. I don't know why I just made it into like a side part, but I didn't even try the middle part. But whew. But yeah, y'all see these flyaways? That is one thing I cannot stand about a unit, is if it has flyaways. However, that's where the wax stick and holding spray come into handy, and it's not a big problem at all. And so if I decide to wear it in the middle, then yeah, I do have much more parting space to play with. But yeah, it was cute too, like this. So yeah, that was literally my only, I think, con about it, was that because I did want to wear it like this with the whole, you know, flip over look, I didn't get much parting space at all. But yeah, other than that, like, I absolutely love this unit. I love the customized color of it. I just think that it's super gorgeous. And so yeah, you guys let me know how you feel about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.